In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate DNSSEC on Namecheap in just a few simple steps. DNSSEC is an important security feature that helps protect your domain by adding an extra layer of trust to your DNS records, which can help reduce the risk of spoofing and tampering. If you want to make your domain setup more secure, this is a great setting to turn on. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to go to your domain list. This is where all of the domains connected to your account are displayed. Find the domain you want to secure with DNSSEC, and then click Manage next to that domain. After that, you'll be taken to the domain management page. From here, look for the Advanced DNS tab and click on it. This is the section where Namecheap gives you access to more advanced domain settings, including the DNSSEC option. Now scroll down until you find the DNSSEC section. When you see it, you should notice a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn that switch on to activate DNSSEC for your domain. Once you enable it, Namecheap may take some time to process the change. In most cases, DNSSEC can take up to 60 minutes to fully work, so don't worry if you don't see the update happen immediately. Give it some time to propagate, and then your domain should be protected with DNSSEC enabled. That's it. You've now activated DNSSEC on Namecheap. It only takes a minute to switch on, but it can add an important layer of security to your domain. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.